Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in today's video I'm showing you my every single day makeup look. This is the look I wear every day. If I'm wearing makeup that day, this is what I'm gonna look like. If you're not feeling the lipstick, lose it, take it off. You don't have to wear lipstick, you can just wear lip balm or lip stain. And at times I don't wear highlighter, just because I think it's a bit much for during the day. I mean, sometimes I bath in it, so it depends on the mood. Today I used it for the purpose of this video, but a lot of the times you won't see me wearing highlighter during the day, nor do I wear powder. So the skincare that I throw in there is what I normally wear every day, and my skin type is combination oily, so if that's not your skin type, don't try these products. If that's your skin type, then go ahead and try them out. I really love them. I do have a skincare therapist, Christina. She's amazing. She's my skin godmother, skin fairy, whatever you want to call it. She really looks after my skin, and ever since I did my skin analysis, my skin is looking amazing. So I recommend you guys see a skincare specialist to analyze your skin type before trying out any new products. And that's really about it, guys. I hope you try this look, and let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing I do in the morning is wiping my face with this instant facial with barley and cypress. This is an amazing product. It literally is like a facial microdermabrasion without the abrasion, if that makes sense. So it unveils a fresh, healthier looking complexion instantly. So I just wipe my face with this cotton round that's previously moistened with this product, and boom, instant facial. Next I'm going to apply some serum, and I do have some breakouts here and there, and this one helps me with that. It's basically vitamin B with copper and tripeptide, and it really works for my oily combination skin. Next thing, I'm going to apply some sunblock, and it's very important that you use sunblock on daily basis, guys. This one is 50 plus broad spectrum cream. It's matte in texture, so it's perfect for oily and combination, and it gives you very high protection against the sun. Next I'm going to apply some eye cream. You can use any eye cream really. I'm using this cream by Kiehl. I really like this. It's midnight recovery eye, but I use it during the day as well. It's just moisturizing my skin around the eye. And then I'm going to apply some Professional by Benefit. This is a pore primer, so if you have visible pores, it actually helps close them before applying the foundation. For the foundation, I'm using currently my favorite. I always try new foundations, if you haven't noticed, guys, because I'm always in a search for the perfect coverage. This one is by Tarte Cosmetics. It's Double Duty Beauty, and because it's called Shape Tape Matte Foundation, because I go to the gym and I work out, I like my full coverage. So I'll leave my house in the morning and I'll apply this, and it lasts me the whole day. I'll go to the gym, sweat, it still lasts me until I wash my face and shower. And my skin color is medium. My shade in this foundation is medium sand. I would go for something darker, but this is the one I got in the mail, so I'm using this one, and I'm going to bronze later. Then I'm going to apply some concealer, and this one is Shape Tape by Tarte. It's got perfect coverage, and it does stay the whole day. Now, I don't always use concealer, to be honest with you, but sometimes when I really want a flawless face, then I'm going to apply some on the under eye area and just around my mouth and the nose where I get red. But it's not a must, so, I'm just using it because I want that flawless look, like I said. But on daily basis, I would probably, 80% of the time, I would skip the concealer. So I'm just gonna blend that into my under eye area, and then I'm going to move to the brows. I'm going to show you how I do my brows, because I do my brows differently when I do them for videos and pictures. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I use the darkest one. But on daily basis, I want them looking a bit more natural, so that's why I'm using Benefit Brow Pencil, and this one is called Precisely My Brow Pencil. And it's got a very fine tip, so it's perfect for applying the product into your brows without looking pasty. So as you can see, I've got a brow tutorial in my previous videos, so just follow the same technique, but here is self-explanatory basically. So just underline the brows following a natural shape and just fill them in slightly. You can see it's got a different, more natural effect than the brows in my previous videos, which are more bold and dark. And yeah, this is the one I use every single day of my life. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm just gonna create hair-like strokes, and you can see, and I've thickened them quite a bit because I like my brows thick. Then I'm going to apply some brow gel, and this one is Shape and Define by Kiehl. I love this brand. They've got some amazing brow stuff. And then I'm going in with a bronzer. My favorite is this one by Benefit. And I'm just going to bronze around my forehead area, my chin, just because I like that sun-kissed look. So it's not contouring, guys, don't get me wrong. It's bronzing, warming up the skin, especially if you're going to use a lighter foundation. So get into the cheekbones, chisel them out, a little bit on the tip of the nose, and that's about it. And now, my favorite blush ever been made in this world is this Blush Rosy Glow and the shade Petal. It's a healthy glow awakening blush that works with your natural skin chemistry that really roses out your cheeks. And it's a beautiful shade that suits all skin colors. Next step is optional. I'm going to apply some highlighter, and this one is by Dose of Color. The shade is I See You Baby, as in I see you baby, I see you baby, or not I see you, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. Then I'm going in with some lip liner, and this one is Roseberry by Clarins. You can see it's just finished. I've been using it and abusing it, and somehow that part didn't record. Sorry guys, I thought my camera was recording while I was doing that, but yeah, it didn't, so I'm sorry about that. And then I just went in with some lip gloss, and this one is by Smashbox. It's the O-Plump. And that's it. That's pretty much the natural look that I was going for. And that lip gloss that I just used actually brings out the natural rosiness in your lips. So it's also optional. If you want the matte, go for the matte look. I normally would wear just a lip liner because I want it to last longer, but yeah, if I want to moisturize my lips because sometimes they are dry, I use the O-Plump by Smashbox. That was it for today's tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look and you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and please thumbs up and write a comment if there's anything new that you want to see in my next tutorials. And if you don't have the exact same products, I always say this: use whatever you have at home. Drugstore products, your mother's products, whatever you have, doesn't matter. As long as it matches your skin and suits you, then go ahead and do it. That's really about it, guys. I love you all, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Until then, stay blessed. Mwah.